Hi, let's today talk about Python and why are there so many different languages and what is the difference between Python 2 and Python 3. Python is basically a programming language which is very close to English and was first released in 1991 and was created by Guido van Rossum, and it is a very easy and great language to learn. Many of the leading companies today use Python like Google, Facebook, Instagram, Spotify, Quora, Netflix, Dropbox, Reddit, and the list is endless. Now let's answer the question, why are there so many different languages? Why can't we have just one language that does everything and everybody is happy? No one has to learn many languages. And here's the thing, in your career you don't have to learn 8 or 10 or 12 different languages. You can be very successful with one. But why are there so many languages? See, different programming languages are good at different things. Just like we have different tools for, let's say, building a house. We need various tools to build it. You can't just use a hammer to build a house. We need different tools that are good at different things. It is impossible to build one ultimate language which can do all the applications. So now that's out of the way. Now let's talk about Python 2 and Python 3. So what is this all about? See, Python was created by a human and a programming language is always evolving. It is not like someone creates one language and it is perfect. All languages are constantly being updated because no one gets it right the first time. And did you know the Python was given its name from a British comedy show? That's really different. So, after its first release in 1991, Guido in 2008 decided that Python had some things that had to be changed. So, they decided to create Python 3, a new and better version of the language. And here is the tricky part, the code which you write in Python 2 doesn't really work in Python 3. So, most of the companies that wrote in Python 2 just kept Python 2. But these changes between them isn't that really significant. You can learn them in a day. And here's the good news. From 2020, Python 2 had stopped getting its security updates. That is, the community of Python is saying, hey, let's upgrade to Python 3. And that's it for this video guys, and in the next video you will learn how to write your first code in Python.